have you out today. Watch your steps. There's a lot of uneven surfaces, so if I could just get you to be careful, we'll step down there and then I'll come collect those. Welcome on board, folks. Good morning. I'll take those. Is that a beautiful young lady with pink shoes? Do you know what color dolphins like the best? You're right. Come on aboard. Watch your step right here for me. And you have a pink dolphin. Oh, you're going to get double duty. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I'll take that. Now, guys, there's a lot of uneven surfaces.
No, I take the best. What do we use, 5 this or?
Oh my. Hi folks. Good morning.
Hi.
Hey, now watch your step for me. There's a lot of uneven surfaces here. I'll take these. Need the benches or the bench across the
You guys, obviously the driest place in the world. All the safety stuff. First of all, life jackets. We do have life jackets for you. Underneath the center console are 53 adult life jackets and 14 children's life jackets. A placard on each wall tells you how to put a life jacket on, or you can watch me put mine on. If I put mine on, it's probably better to put yours on.
Well, we're starting off the day in kind of overcast, very calm winds though, flat surface seas, just pretty overcast. Coming off of Dana Point, San Clemente, and off in the distance, Camp Pendleton, off on the search for dolphins and whales. Well, after a 10-minute wait, we did see a glimpse at the most stealth gray whale on the planet. But that was it. It was a glimpse. Gray whale's greatest defense is their stealth. There he is, out in front of us. You barely see him. Their best defense is their stealth. And they defend against attacks by orca. Orca is the #1 predator of the gray whales. So hopefully we can get a glimpse. This guy's unbelievably stealthy. Well, coming up here on the Red Buoy, we have our second marine mammal sighting, even though the first one wasn't very good. These are sea lions. We know these are sea lions because California sea lions, because we're in California and we can see them lying on a buoy. There's some truth to that corny joke. Seals couldn't get up on that buoy. Sea lions have rotating back hips that allow them to climb up on these buoys. Seals just flop on their bellies. Sea lions also have external ear flaps. Seals don't. And seals bark. Excuse me. Sea lions bark and seals don't. You can see there's 2 big males here. The ones on the right and the left. Females are much smaller. Males can be 750 pounds. And the female's 250 pounds. So you can see the size of these two on the sides, much larger. Excuse me. These are California sea lions. So you can zoom in a little bit here to get a little bit better look. There we go. They do most of their hunting at night, and they haul out during the day to warm up. They eat just about any kind of fish that they can catch. We've actually seen them eating sharks and halibut, rays, eels, all kinds of things. California sea lions. All right, we've come across some common dolphin. You guys are busy feeding. Here we go, right at our bow. This is the most numerous marine mammal we see off our coast. There's 450,000 common dolphin off our coast. See them just under the water here. Here they come.
Back and forth so you don't feel like you fall.
Right there.
Yeah, they're right here. Probably. Like you did last year.
Well, for the second day in a row, we've gone from a little balmy weather to this rain. So we're on our way back into the harbor. As it's beginning to rain pretty hard out here, you can see all the cloud cover and the rain on the windows here. On our way back in after we'd seen a very brief glimpse at a gray whale and some really good shots at common dolphin.